Let's play a game.
Yes, a fun game.
Woof, woof.
What color is this? This is red. Find the red ball. This one. Yes! Where is it? It is under the table. Which is an apple? This is an apple. This is an apple. Is this a dog? No. It is a cat. What are these? These are apples. How many apples? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Which is big? This is big. Which is small? This is small. Yes, that's small. Good job, puppy. Is it fast? Yes.
Yes.
It is fast. Is it slow? Yes. It is slow. What shape is this? This is a circle. Find the square. Square. Good boy.